The new Enduro Veloce is the embodiment of MV Agusta's key values: 100% Italian manufacturing, craftsmanship, engineering excellence and high performance, all in a motorcycle that represents the manufacturer's original take on the adventure bike segment. The riding ease and distinctive, dynamic character are the result of a combination of unique technical, styling and engineering solutions. The Enduro Veloce epitomizes MV Agusta's aesthetic standards. And, like every MV, it must be recognizable at first glance, identified as a member of that exclusive club reserved for the world's most beautiful bikes. The heritage and grandeur of the past live on in a radically contemporary object. An evocative style element is the iconic Ago red and Ago silver color combination, which boosts the distinctive design of the motorcycle. The new 931cc engine boasts an iconic technical solution seen on all new generation MV Agusta inline 3 cylinders, the counter-rotating crankshaft. Designed, developed, and built entirely at the firm's factory, the engine stands out for its lightness, weighing in at just 57 kilograms, and extreme compactness. With a gyroscopic effect that essentially cancels out that of the front wheel, the counter-rotating crankshaft allows for particularly rapid changes in direction. The engine delivers a maximum power of 124 horsepower at 10,000 revolutions per minute and 102 Nm of torque at 7,000 revolutions per minute. Exclusive content: TFT 7-inch Full HD dashboard, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, cruise control, launch control, 8-level traction control, GPS sensor immobilizer, full LED headlight with DRL, full LED taillight, CNC wheel hubs, MV Ride app with turn-by-turn navigation system, engine and vehicle setup, Mobisat anti-theft system with geolocation. Frame type: main frame. Double beam frame structure, composed by high-tensile steel pipes and forged components. Bolt-on double cradle rear frame. Trellis structure, composed by high-tensile steel pipes and forged components. Frame of the Enduro Veloce exploits a modern perimetral structure with a closed double cradle design developed to offer perfect balance and the best compromise in terms of stability during high-speed road use and the ability to absorb energy during off-road use. The Sachs fork, which has 48 mm stanchions, is adjustable in its compression, rebound, and preload, with a wheel travel of 210 mm. The adjustable Sachs mono-shock guarantees rear wheel travel of 210 mm and is connected to the suspension via a progressive linkage. Single-sided swing arm material: aluminum die-cast twin-sided swing arm front brake double floating disc with 320 mm front brake caliper, radial type monoblock Brembo style caliper, with 4 pistons, rear brake single steel disc with 265 mm rear brake caliper, Brembo with 2 pistons 28 mm.